Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am making an easy 15-minute egg paratha. Crispy, soft and perfect for breakfast or lunchbox. Quick to prepare and full of flavor. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Egg paratha is a popular street food breakfast. Add 1/3 cup water and make a soft dough. Make soft dough for better texture. Quick recipes are perfect for busy morning. Keep aside for a few minutes. Now prepare the egg mixture. In a bowl add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, fresh coriander leaves, and mix well. Now take some dough and roll it. Apply a little oil, fold into a triangle shape. Triangle folding gives layers and crispiness. Roll again. Dip the roll paratha into the egg mixture. Heat oil in a pan. Place the paratha. Spread a little egg mixture. Egg coating adds extra flavor and protein. Eggs are rich in protein and nutrients. Homemade food is more hygienic. Cook on medium heat. Cook on medium heat for even result. Fry both sides well until golden and cook perfectly. Flip gently to keep shape intact. You can control oil and spices. Balanced meal keeps you full longer. Your crispy and tasty egg paratha is ready, perfect for breakfast or lunchbox. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy recipes.